compositing to do all those with extras. So one of our model makers came up with a clever idea. And for the further away shots, he came up with the idea of painting Q-tips, cotton swabs, and having wind underneath kind of give them a subtle movement. And then for the establishing shots over the arena, you actually had the feeling that there was crowd movement, and it would look something like this. So then, when we get the artwork, we oftentimes will pin up a board near the build where we're going to make our set or our miniature, and it's just something we constantly refer to as reference. And from there, it's pretty common that the first thing we'll do is we'll build what we call a mock-up or a maquette that allows us to really study how this thing is going to be put together, what are the issues, the challenges. If we're going to make any mistakes, let's make them on a small scale first with something like this and work out all the details so that then we can begin and actually start sculpting the full-size set. And this is the Executioner's Arena from Attack of the Clones. That's me on the right back when I had long hair. This is a foam sculpt. There's a product, a urethane foam. It's very similar. I don't know if over here they have like dried flowers they'll stick into a kind of a foam or something like that. But it's very carvable. It's a great material to work with for sets of this nature, landscape sets and so forth. Then it's taken to set, and it's properly lit and dressed to camera. You have lots of miniature little dead Jedi bodies strewn along the floor of the arena there. And this is, of course, with the proper lighting, it creates the proper mood, the time of day. And it gives you shots like this, when the principal actors are composited in, and like this. So, that, by the way, had to be built in sort of pie-shaped segments. It could be removable so that if the camera had to come in from different angles of the arena, we were able to do that, as well as move pieces out for getting lighting where it needed to be to cast the proper shadows. Now, we don't just do sort of, organic, rougher type of constructions like this. Sometimes we're asked to do very sterile interior environments. This is actually a miniature that Obi-Wan is walking through with the Caminos. These are actually miniature elements along with the actors, as well as the clones that the same actor filmed like 99 times over. And that's one of the walkways in the distance. And this would be the far wall of the interior space. There's the actual hallway they're walking through, also a miniature. And it looks like this in the final shot.